What does it mean to build small, smart, mobile autonomous machines based on Keel technology? Almost anyone can build small mobile machines with parts available from sources on the internet. Organizations with manufacturing capabilities can scale these toys to larger scale models. One challenge has been to embed the intelligence that supports the smart and autonomous behaviors. The term artificial intelligence suggests the solution, or the desired solution is at least understood. Simply, you might say that you want machines that can pursue assigned goals on their own. When we look at humans with the ability to pursue assigned goals, we are assuming that they think in the process. Pursuing goals is more than just following rules. It means considering options, and constantly making the best decisions and considering the best corrective action, while considering all of the influencing factors available. And, with humans, we know that there are multiple goals that are simultaneously being considered: immediate, short, and long-term goals, personal goals and group goals, assigned goals and derived goals. Some goals can be pursued simultaneously, while others require focused attention. Humans are applying judgment and reasoning to prioritize their decisions and actions. CUMPSIM's knowledge-enhanced electronic logic, Keel technology makes it relatively easy to capture these judgment and reasoning skills into small cognitive components that can be inserted in small microcontrollers. Using the Keel dynamic graphical language, domain experts can package their judgment and reasoning skills as adaptive operational policies that will guide the autonomous machines. And just like humans, the Keel-based policies can simultaneously consider multiple interrelated goals. And using the Keel dynamic graphical language, this is all accomplished without mathematics or programming skill dependencies. The code for the Keel cognitive components is auto-generated by the Keel tools, thus streamlining the development process. When autonomous machines, with their embedded operational policies, are released to pursue their assigned tasks, there will be times when the humans that assign them the goals question their actual behavior. This is similar to when human behavior is questioned. For humans, this results in an explanation provided verbally or in written format in the human's language of choice. Other humans have to interpret this explanation. This is a very subjective task and may require trust in the human providing the information, another subjective issue. For autonomous machines that may be mass-produced, this is probably not an acceptable situation. If Keel technology is used, every decision and every action can be reviewed. And unlike the human language, Keel-based systems can explain their behavior with mathematical precision, in a manner that can be understood by humans with just a few minutes of training. So in this way, Keel technology provides for explainable AI. One might suggest that an explainable AI is necessary when the mass-produced autonomous machines are delivering important, life and death behaviors. Keel technology supports these services today.